Alright, guys, so as we know, a lot of the media hate on Andrew Tate and still hate on Andrew Tate. For example, on TikTok, you can't even mention his name without the video, most likely just getting simply removed for no reason. Even if it's a motivational video, it still gets removed. It's absolute insanity. And quite recently, there's been statements from YouTube that are pretty concerning. YouTube terminated almost half of the accounts Sky News flagged to the platform, adding, "We terminated channels associated with Andrew Tate for multiple violations of our community guideline and terms of service, including our hate speech policy." YouTube statement: YouTube has strict policies that prohibits hate speech and harassment, and it will remove content that targets or threatens individuals or groups based on protected attributes such as gender identity. Now, this is worrying in general, but I don't feel like it's associated with me really because I don't credit any hate speech. I just talk about news and give my opinion without hating on anyone. These rules are really strict and people are getting banned. But yeah, guys, give me your thoughts about this in the comments below. A lot of updates soon.